babies.
What's good, y'all? Today we're going to be working in Photoshop, and today we're going to be working on the clone stamp tool. Now, what we have here is a picture of one of our famous battle rappers from Chicago, and what we did was made him a cartoon and we put him in a real setting. So the problem I have is this lady in the background and this dude right here. What I want to do is grab my clone stamp tool, make sure I got my soft brush, and hit Option or Alt on a place where I want to make her look like this background right here. So I'm gonna hit Option up here, and I'm basically gonna color over her. And basically what it's doing is taking that background and putting it where I'm brushing it. And now it looks like a part of the background. Do the same thing with fam over here. Hit Option or Alt from this spot right here, and just drag over them. Click and drag, color over them. Now, obviously, you could do a better job if you take your time, but that's basically the clone stamp tool in a nutshell. Hope you guys learned something today. See you next time. Peace.